I think it's a new record! Score! Huh?
Time to have some fun.
Wow.
Watch out, wet floor. Want this? Too bad, because it's not for you. There.
You are in big trouble, young lady! Oh my gosh, she's so cool!
Bye.
Man, I have to get a detention! I think I have an idea!
No, you don't!
I have to get in there, please!
No. Oh, fine.
Thanks!
Oh, good job. Principal!
What happened? Oh, come here, you troublemaker!
Good luck, buddy. What are you doing here?
My bad.
Whatever.
You're in detention, so copy what's on the board!
Blah, blah, blah. I'm putting my music on.
Oh. Hey, what are you listening to?
What? Oh, it's my favorite band.
Cool! I love them too! What is wrong with this thing?
Are you out of your mind?
Sorry, it's this pen.
Ugh, give me that. Now watch and learn. First, let's fold a piece of paper like this. Now we'll draw a big pencil. Just like that. Time to color it in. Let's try to make it look realistic. Now let's take some tape and put it on top. Next, we'll attach the pen ink tube right here. And add some filling inside. And that's it. The squeezy pencil is ready. Here you go.
Huh. It's actually a great stress reliever. Awesome! Now let's test it for real. Wow! Thank you!
Whatever.
I should make something for her too. Let's try. First, we'll clear one end of a Q-tip and wrap it like this. Let's soak it in pink paint. And make some more in different colors. Now let's draw a design and cut it out. To give it some volume, let's glue a strip down. Then take our colored sticks and attach matching rhinestones to them. Let's put it together and close the cap. Hey, this is for you.
Wow! So cute!
Try pushing one of the colors down.
No way! Cool! This'll come in handy for my music notes. Now let's try another color. What a fun little gadget! Thanks!
Thank you!
I love it.
I hope you brought your utility knives. Sure.
Ugh. Finally finished my masterpiece. Time to hear how my song sounds. Oh yeah!
Whoa, cool! Yeah! What is all that noise? That's it! Quiet! Listen to me! No music in my classroom!
Ugh, what a grouch. Oh no, my music notes. They're all mixed up. What a mess.
I know what to do. First, let's cut out a strip of paper and make an exclusive design. Oh yeah, this'll work. Let's add a few details. And move on to coloring. And that's it! Done! Gimme that! Time to test this craft out. Perfect! Here you go!
Wow! What a cool cat! Thanks!
You're welcome.
I think I know how to fix this. First, let's take a blade and apply some glue. Great! Now let's glue down some popsicle sticks. And wrap the whole thing in colored paper. Like this. Let's add another piece of paper and wrap that too. Let's cap off the end and wrap it with this tape. Let's cover the long part with tape too. That'll protect the surface. Safety first, after all. Done. This is for you.
What's this? Wow, so cool! Works perfectly! Thanks!
No problem. Do you like it too, kitty?
You need to understand that discipline is very important!
Yeah, sure.
Hey, maybe you could put your number in here?
Sure. Why not?
Hey! What do you think you're doing? Phones are strictly banned here! Hand them over. I'm confiscating them.
This is your fault! Sorry. Now I'm gonna melt from boredom.
Oh, I think I have an idea. Let's fill a Ziploc bag with glue. And add some black dye. Now let's close it and mix it all up really well. Let's take a few sheets of colored paper and place the bag on top. Now we add a frame like this on top and give it some style. Let's draw some bangs and add a cute little nose. Now the eyes and everything else. She likes cats, so this should work. Done! Look what I made for you. Try drawing on it.
Okay. Whoa! Cool gadget! Let's try changing the color. Nice. Hey, let me write my number down for ya.
Great!
Are you kidding me?
How about this?
Let's cut out a shape like this and make one side reflective. Let's glue on a camera lens and a logo. Flip it over and stick a couple of sticky notes here. Let's also add a pull-out notepad strip. Now let's make the other side look like an app screen. There we go. Let's also make a cool screensaver. And that's it. Check this out.
Wow! What's that? No way! That's the best notepad I've ever seen! Thanks!
Try pulling the arrow.
Is this your number? I can't believe it!
Call me sometime.
Awesome. I will. Keep yourselves busy. Man, I think I'm in love. But how do I tell her how I feel? I think I got it! First, let's cut out a shape like this and color it. Let's make the craft 3D. And glue a ribbon here so this part opens up. Perfect! Now let's assemble a cardboard shape like this. And paint it. Now we take a couple of paper circles and glue a straw down. Just like that. Let's tie a string here. And push a stick through the circles. Now let's insert the mechanism and add a sponge. Let's connect everything together and load it with a lollipop. Close this side up and we're done. Hey you! Hands up!
What are you doing?
freeze!
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, now check this out.
Wow!
It's for you. Enjoy.
Hey, look! Press my nose. That's my answer.
Really? Awesome!
Huh?
I say we get the heck out of here.
That was the best detention I've ever had.
Me too.
Great job, kiddo!
So, shall we go? Oh my! Where did everyone go?